Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Kundalini 101 and 102 and 103 and however many come after that. So I thought it would be prudent of me before any kind of Kundalini inspiration group started that I put out some basic information, maybe not so basic. Later on, it's not going to be very basic information about Kundalini Shakti, what it is, terms, definition, the whole process of Kundalini. Anyway, hopefully I'm going to do them in short little videos. Okay, so Kundalini 101. What do I want to say? This is going to be this is definitions and basic understanding, so it's going to be a bit dry, and I am definitely referring to my notes. I have so many notes. Okay, so the information that I'm going to share in these videos are all derived from the Vedanta tradition, and I'm now going to define Vedanta. Vedanta is a Sanskrit word that describes the Hindu philosophy of monism, which monism is the belief in one supreme being that denies the existence of two. So this is the non-duality tradition or the non-dual tradition. I'm sure you've heard that term. This Vedanta philosophy is based on the ancient scriptures of the Upanishads, and more specifically the Vedas. I think the Vedas come at the end of the Upanishads. And so that is like the pervading philosophy of the Hindu tradition. When this philosophy is applied to how it works within the individual, it is called Kundalini Vidya, which means knowledge of the divine within, or Kundalini science. And the books that I have used for all of these forthcoming videos are Kundalini Vidya, The Serpent Power, The Master and the Disciple, as well as my own investigations, my own intuition, downloads, and oracle sessions to confirm whatever I've received. And I've been doing a lot the last couple of days. So let's start off with Kundalini Shakti versus Kundalini. The word or the definition of Kundalini. The word Kundalini obviously is a Hindu word, and part of that word Kunda means bowl, or a little concave kind of a place, a bowl. And put together, Kundalini means coiled. The word Kundalini is actually, sorry, my notes are a mess. I just realized I should have done some editing. Anyway, so the word Kundalini put together means something coiled resting in a bowl. And the word Kundalini, as we use it, it sounds like it's a noun, but actually it's an adjective, and it's used to describe the attributes of Shakti. So Kundalini Shakti means that the Shakti is coiled. Now, what does the word Shakti mean? The root of Shakti, Shak, means owning of power or the capacity to realize. So Kundalini Shakti is our capacity to realize and the owning of our own power that is coiled within this thing that's in a bowl somewhere, perhaps in the body or not in the body. Anyway, so that's what you get, the coil. Anyway, but nowadays Kundalini is used like a noun, and it represents like how it's called Kundalini Vidya, when it's applied to the individual, it means the individual aspect of Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti, those two words put together, represents the unified field, the entirety of Kundalini Shakti, all of creation. Whereas when Kundalini Shakti is working within us in our individual being, it is called just Kundalini. So it's kind of used as a noun nowadays. What else did I want to say? Kundalini Shakti, the coiled one, is known in many, many traditions by many different names. Some are the serpent power, the Holy Spirit, the divine within, the divine light, the divine mother, Shekinah, Maya, Praktiki, and aspects of Shakti are known as Kali, Parvati, and Durga. And I think that's going to be the end of this video. Okay.